Welcome to Solid Design and Detail, where innovation, precision, and expertise converge to deliver the world's finest 3D CAD design and detailing solutions. Powered by SolidWorks, Ship Constructor, and AutoCAD software, we provide cutting-edge designs with unmatched accuracy. At the core of everything we do is a commitment to quality craftsmanship, ensuring every detail is perfect and every solution is built to exceed expectations. We're not just keeping up with the industry, we're leading it. At Solid Design and Detail, we don't merely adapt to change, we drive it. Our cutting-edge approach turns challenges into opportunities, offering you value-driven solutions that set new standards. From precise 3D models to fully detailed shop drawings packed with everything fabricators need, we're always one step ahead, bringing you the most advanced CAD support available anywhere. Our dedicated team of engineers, designers, and technical experts work hand in hand with you, ensuring that every project is not only delivered on time, but also with the highest standards of presentation and accuracy. Our commitment to excellence goes beyond software. It's built into the very fabric of who we are. We specialize in serving industries that demand the highest standards of quality and precision. Whether it's defense, marine, aerospace, or naval industries, we have the expertise to support your unique needs. We deliver results that drive down shop hours with accurate and concise drawings, which contribute massively to project success. The trust our clients place in us is what drives us to exceed expectations every time. From innovative design concepts to intricate detailing, we help companies tackle their toughest challenges and achieve outstanding results. No project is too complex, and no detail is overlooked. While we're proud of the work we do, the vast majority of our projects are protected by non-disclosure agreements, NDAs, and classified under project-specific security protocols. As a result, much of our work remains confidential. However, the trust our clients place in us and our commitment to excellence speaks volumes. And when it comes to security, compliance, and trusted partnerships, we take keeping your data protected seriously. Solid Design and Detail is proud to be CMMC Level 2, ITAR, DFARS, and NIST SP 800-171 compliant, ensuring your sensitive data is handled with the highest standards of security. We are also registered with the Defense Logistics Agency and certified through the Joint Certification Program, demonstrating our commitment to serving government and defense sectors with excellence. Innovation is more than a buzzword. It's our way of life. We thrive on solving complex fabrication problems and delivering solutions that don't just meet expectations, they surpass them. Trust is the foundation of every project we undertake, from the first sketch to the final product. Join us on a journey where solid design meets meticulous detail, and together we'll build lasting partnerships that shape the future of fabrication.